Hey guys, it's Tom, coming back to you with another unboxing video for PoE switches. Today I'm going to take you through the classic 16-port PoE switch. It's BV POE-SW1602A. Let's open it up and take a look. So, switch right here. This out of the way. So, like some of the other switches you've seen, it's going to come with little feet to mount it. Keep it up off the tabletop, better air circulation, that sort of thing, or stack them on top of each other without slipping. This one also comes included in the box, rack mount tabs. So this goes right into your network rack, super easy. Everything you need is right here. The screws are in with this bag with the feet also. There, got your standard power cable, just like we always have. And on the front here, we've got our 16 ports of PoE, and those are wrapped around in the orange there. And then on the side, we've got ports 18 and 17. Those are our Uplink ports. So that gives us all this cameras or phones or whatever it is you're using back into your network. All right, so these Uplink ports over here, they're gonna be gigabit each. All your other ports are 10-100, and a total power consumption of 130 watts, up to 30 watts per port. All right, guys, it's been Tom. We just went through the POE-SW1602A, the classic switch. Don't forget to click up here to watch some more videos. Over on this side to like and subscribe, and leave any questions and comments you have down in the bottom there. We'll see you next time. Thanks.